nothing's gone wrong. Everything's been pretty freaking perfect. And finally something little, and it's pretty funny. It was a little bit of a bummer because I'm gonna have to pull it all the way off eventually and then just replace it. But the plywood that protects my gate, because you know my box is aluminum. The floor is steel, but the box is aluminum. The plywood that protects my gate, it's popped off. I think it's only being held on by 1 or 2 screws now. Oh well, it's good to go for now. We're out here getting loaded at the construction site. So the guy loading me is on a rental loader, and I guess that he owns this plot. He normally builds houses, he was telling me, but what I think is really cool is that all of these houses are on small lots in this little cul-de-sac. Each house, you can see it here, each house has a 500 square foot mother-in-law behind it. I know you can see this house here, and then you can see the, here, go over here. You can see the mother-in-law back there, which I think is pretty cool. And I think that the laws are changing around Washington state. I think it's going county to county, because they used to not really allow that. You had to get an expensive permit. Now, from what he said, is that King County or the city of Renton doesn't charge for an additional permit, like an additional building permit. So it increases the value of the house. People, they can have rental income, or they can have someone else, like someone in their family living back there. It's pretty cool. This right here is the vault. I don't know if they're gonna do anything else with it. Remy from Bobby. He's down here in Maltby working on a truck, and it's on my way home, so I'm gonna grab the baby and I'm gonna head home. And luckily for me, I didn't end up ripping the plywood completely off, so it's still connected to the tailgate. So tonight, after I put Remy to bed, I'm going to undo the last of the screws that are holding it on and pull it out and get ready for tomorrow. Well, I feel kind of dumb now. So I still had my board and it was still partially secured to the tailgate, and I came home and I did dinner with the kids and I put the kids to bed and I did everything, and now I'm out here and I decided my smart idea was to lift the dump box up and figure out exactly what these screws were, exactly what size they were, so that I could get some tools to pull them out. And this is where we're at now. Dang it. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I didn't lose it. It's just not attached at all. Okay. I guess I still have my board, so there's that. Looks like I'll be getting a new one of those, or we'll be putting this one back on. We'll see. All these screws got to be taken out though. Looks like a couple got pulled out. Huh? Still have all our plywood on the side, so there's that. And I do realize that probably what happened was when we hauled the broken asphalt and the concrete, the few too many pieces bumped up against the wood and loosened it enough for it to pop off. It's all good though. Easily repaired. All right guys, well I think that's about it for this video. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Stop by our website where you can get Beyond Dirt t-shirts, hats, and hoodies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.